Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are first to get my videos. So today I'm going to be taking this tumbler and turning it into a name tumbler with the Louis Vuitton logo. So I'm putting this on my Celiac Cameo software, and I'm just trying to size them up to see how I want the KD to fit in the K. And then I moved it apart, and now I'm cutting the K and also the name. I will be weeding that out, and it's so hard to see, you guys. So remember when you were doing regular vinyl paper or glitter paper or any vinyl, you cut on top of the vinyl itself, versus if it's iron on, you have to flip the vinyl and cut the back of it and also mirror your image. I already cleaned off my mug, and now I'll be fitting DK. There's so much better lettering. I don't know why I couldn't find a better lettering to do this, but I like how this turned out. It was my first time doing a mug with actual name like this. I've done mugs like for different things, like best mom, best teacher, things like that. So there's also a transfer paper that you can buy. I don't have them, so since it was a lot of things, I will just manually transfer or put the lettering on myself on where I want them to be. So yeah, so I just kind of put them on my hand, and then I will go ahead and place them where I want it to be. So this is for a birthday gift, and it was just something cute to do. So right now I'm just trying to place them anywhere that I want to, well, where I want to put the letters. So if you don't know, you cannot layer glitter on glitter vinyl. It will not stick. And a lot of people do these tumblers, but they literally cure them like on that stick, and they turn it and all glaze it, all the type of stuff. Yeah, I wasn't gonna do that. The only thing that I found different ways to cure it, I guess, or to seal it. Sorry, I'm thinking nails. To seal it, without actually doing that glaze. But I didn't have any of those stuff in the house, so you could use Mod Podge behind the lettering and just kind of glue it on. So the thing is, you have to let whoever you're doing this for know that you have to really like dry wash it. Don't like soak it in water or things like that, because it's not sealed, and it won't be sealed. But it was just a cute little idea that I wanted to do, and I had one of the tumbler left, and I just wanted to show you the different things that you can do with the Silhouette Cameo. A lot of people use the Cricut, and honestly, I don't know why I haven't. When I did my research for these cutters, I really wanted to do it for rhinestones, and I don't know if Cricut didn't do it back then, or if I didn't do my research good enough, but I found the Silhouette Cameo, and now, so I have the little thing to seal. I'll show you how to have it, but I had the ruler right there, so I just used it. So now I'm going to be using so I did these cutouts for Louis Vuitton inspired clear purse, and I'll link that video, and this is what I had left over, so that's why I decided to do this video. Yeah, so I love there's so much new products coming out, new version of the Silhouette Cameo. I probably have the oldest version, probably the reverse version of it, but I don't use it a lot anymore, and what I do need it for, it works, so I didn't want to invest in any more. So I'm just going to go ahead and just mix this with the colors that I have. Some of the when I cut them originally, some of the logo kind of like warped, so I'm just gonna try and put them as best as I could with whatever I have left here. So I wanted to do one more row after the last row, but when I did cut these, they kind of cut a little bit bigger than normal, and so I was only able to get the I forget how many rows I end up getting, but I wanted one more after that, but it's okay. I see these stuff like on Etsy, for sale, and I don't know, it's just too much headache, to be honest with you. So I'm just going to be showing you how I manually put those on, and again, make sure if you do this for resale, find a sealant, something that can seal it, and a safe one too. So anyways, so I will link that video of the clear purse, I did this color one, the multicolor logo, and I also did a pink one. On the multicolor one was on a gold clear bag or clear purse, and the pink one was a heat transfer on the silver one, clear purse. So the gold one was just stick on like this, the vinyl one, and the pink one was heat. I wanted to try both of them since, putting heat to glass, if it would break it or didn't. But I ended up giving those away too. So anyways, I am just showing you what I could find and use to put on these tumblers. And tell me what you think. So inside, you could put a little gift and just close it up. And so I have a gift bag right there. And in there, like I was planning to buy like maybe a little supply kit, different things like I literally think like no more than 4 items or 5 items can fit in there without because you still have to use the straw. So you could do that if you want. So one year our high school, was it volleyball? Oh my gosh. But it was a female team. They had a banquet. Their coach, she had a little banquet and asked me to help with decoration and things like that. And so I bought little like round glass vase, and I put like the high school name, each girl's name, and or was it mugs? I think I did little mugs too. But I did the centerpieces also with the school's name and some candy inside of them. And oh my gosh, it was so a long time ago, I forgot what I actually did. But I didn't do it as a video back then. I had put YouTube on the side because it's so exhausting to do all these videos, and it's like 5 views, 10 views, 11 views. But I do it right now. It's like clearing my mind from a lot of things right now. So that's the sole purpose I'm doing it right now. Well, of course, to entertain you guys. But if I don't get a lot of views, I don't take it personally. So I mean, it would be nice because more views equal more you know what. But anyways, yeah, so I did that for them. The budget that the school had didn't even cover like a lot of stuff, but it's okay because, and I have 2 boys, they weren't on the team. And guys, if you haven't by now, please take this time to subscribe to my channel, please. Thank you. Yeah, my boys play one is not at this high school, one is, and he's a basketball player. But sometimes you have to give your time for whatever. This is to help my school out and the kids. And like one year for our basketball team, when they had the banquet, I also did these for the basketball players. But I did I forgot what type of thing I did, but Gatorade. I did Gatorade, and I put the candy all around the Gatorade. And then there was the managers, like there were like female managers and scorekeepers and things like that. And I made them like a wine glass. On the bottom, I did the silver glitter, and inside I put like, I don't know if I put makeup or lipsticks, but it was girly stuff that I put in there, like for young ladies. And so I did that for them. And I think we had the chance to do one more banquet after then, but a lot of things went down with that situation. Weren't happy with what happened, what the coaches did to my son. But I believe in leaving a lot of things to God, and let it work out that way. My son kind of complained, and when they complained, they benched my son even more. But people have to realize when they do evil in this world, we're not the ones that suffer. It's the ones that do evil that has to deal with the consequences. But people sometimes don't remember, or they don't know it, or don't care. But anyways, that's not gonna stop me from not even helping, because it's not that people need my help. It's just doing what you can do to help someone, or to be there for someone, or to give, and I love crafting, and it gives me a way to do it, because I don't do this for sale. When you start selling stuff, you give people the right to complain. I don't like hearing complaint. I don't hear people, oh, look at this, it's a scratch, it's blah, blah, blah. So I do a lot of things for like donation purposes. So I help out my schools every chance I get. The reason why I choose, like I come from a country, Belize, and a lot of things aren't free. Like 99.999 stuff is not free. We're in America, where a lot of things are free or is gifted or helped, or different things. Well, I'll be honest, in my school, a lot of things are free. that we wouldn't have gotten free in my country of Belize. So I appreciate that, and I'm grateful that I just don't walk around expecting it. Oh, I'm in America, what you going to give me? No, and this is my way of saying, thank you back to, it's a circle. It's not that, because you give me something, I give you back directly. Maybe somebody else I give. You never know how you get your blessing, but you don't do things to get blessing. You do things and then you get the blessing. Okay, don't forget that. At least that's how I believe. Just believe in tithing. When you tithe, things come back to you, but you don't tithe for things to come back to you. You do it because it's from your heart. That's how I always believe. And they also say when you sow your seed, you ask for what you want in return. I don't know if all these things are true or not, but I pray and I leave it in God's hands. I ask, most importantly, bless my family with good health. And, and of course, fortune, so I could keep helping or donating. So anyways, I hope you're liking this. And I'm just ranting on and on and on. So sorry for boring you. A lot of times it's best to play music, but it's not a long video. So I'm trying to get this out. So I have a couple more videos coming up. And one of them that I will be doing is doing chocolate melts and doing designs out of them. And then one of them will be excuse my language, tiramisu cake and birthday cake. So those are some upcoming videos, so stick around for those. And so this here's my little scraper. I just found it instead of using a ruler. But hey guys, if you don't have this stuff, just use a ruler. So now I've been making a bow, and if you are a crafter like moi and do not know how to make bows, this is a good way to do it. It just I just hate it. But anyways, I will fight with this long enough for it to work. So anyways, and that's how I do my bows. I had a lot of crafting supplies, a lot of bows, a lot of things, and I ended up donating it to a friend because I wanted to clear out the room, and I kept a couple things. So that's why I have this blue one. I was hoping I have the silver, but anyways, tell me what you like. If you like it, don't forget to subscribe, because then you'll be the first to see the next video. And there's my bow. It came out pretty good, I must say. So I will figure out tomorrow what I'm going to put in there, but the gift is not for till 2 more weeks. So, but wanted to get this out of the way so I could have my other videos to do. So I really like this, guys. I'm thinking of keeping it for myself. Just kidding, that's not my name. But hope you like it, and leave in the description your opinion. Nice ones, of course, only nice ones. And be kind. Look out for others. Look out for your neighbors. See where you can help, and help others out. And not because you see someone with a smile, meaning their mentality is stable. Be kind, okay? Take care, and God bless.